Alright, I am on my Linux computer, which is currently running Ubuntu version 20.4, and getting Python and Pygame is going to be real easy on this computer because Python is already installed. So, first thing I'm going to do is open up a terminal window. And just real quick, I'm going to check to see what version of Python I have. Python is kind of baked into the operating system, so I'm going to say Python 3 -- version. And you can see I have version 3.8.5. If you have anything 3.5 or up, you're good to go. And so now let's install an IDE. And in class we use idle, so I'm going to put idle on here as well. And I'm going to say sudo apt install idle 3. And it'll ask for my password. And yes, I'll continue. And this shouldn't take too long. Okay. And now I have, okay, it went over here and put it in my dock, and that's because I just removed it earlier. It might not put it in your dock, but you can always just hit the application and show applications and find it there. And so now we need to put Pygame on, and so I'm going to type pip. Actually, it's pip3 because we have Python 3. Install Pygame and equals, and it's 2.0.0. I think that's it because they just released the final version of Pygame 2 today. And this will only take a few seconds. All right, and to check to see if it's installed, I am going to open up idle. And I'm just going to type import Pygame. And I can see that it is installed correctly, and so we're good to go.